Whether you are troubleshooting, upgrading, or just curious, we are going to review key display specs most users overlook. Let's dive in on how to check your monitor's exact resolution and color depth without using any third-party tools. Open the Run dialog. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run window. Now let's launch the system information. In the Run box, type ms-info32 and click OK. This opens the system information tool, which gives detailed information about your computer hardware and drivers. Now let's navigate to display information. In the left-hand pane, expand components. Now click on display to highlight it. The next step is to read your display resolution. In the right-hand pane, look for the entry labeled resolution. It will show something like this. This figure is your current resolution, which is the width by height of your resolution. Optionally, you can check your color depth. You would find a field labeled bits per pixel, which refers to the color depth of your display. That is how many bits are used to represent the color of a single pixel on your screen. So if you see 32 under the bits per pixel section, it means your screen can display 16.7 million colors with additional bits for effect like transparency. If you see 24 bits per pixel, it implies your monitor can display 16.7 million colors as well, but without the transparency support. If it turns out you have a 16 bits per second display, then your monitor can only display about 65,000 colors. You should also note that if you have multi-monitor setup, each connected display may be listed separately under the display section. Now, if you found that manual method helpful, but you're looking for something even faster and more automated, I have built a simple portable tool just for you. With one click, it instantly detects all connected monitors, their resolutions and color depth, and saves a clean report right inside your documents folder. No installation required. It runs entirely offline. To get it, just click the link pinned in the comment section. It will take you straight to my Gumroad page. Once you download it, you can open the zip file on your computer. Inside, you will find a file called One-Click Display and Color Depth Checker Tool. Just double-click it and follow the prompt. It will launch a console window and display the title of the report. The report will generate the exact date and time it was created for logs or troubleshooting purposes. It will also indicate the current logged in Windows username and also the device name of your computer, which is handy if you are testing multiple machines. Display 1 is how Windows internally identifies your monitor. If you have multiple monitors, you'll see more blocks like this. The resolution is the current resolution, which is indicated by its width and height in pixels. Primary true indicates that this is my main monitor. That is the one where my start menu and taskbar appears. You can use this tool to check if your display is set to its native resolution, diagnose blurry text or color bending, and also confirm multiple monitors are configured properly. The tool is fast, easy, and accurate. No more digging through settings or menus.